Off lecture. Learn beyond class.
Introduction. Tracking your amazing breath. Take a deep breath and feel your body fill with life. Today, we are going to track your amazing breath, following the journey of a single breath to discover the exact organs keeping you alive every single second. The power of a breath. Breathing is a silent superpower. Your lungs are powerful balloons. You take about 22,000 breaths every single day, processing an astonishing 11,000 liters of air daily. When you breathe in, you capture vital energy. When you breathe out, you clear out metabolic waste from your system. The nose and nasal cavity. The journey begins at the nose and nasal cavity, which act as the perfect biological air filter. This cavity filters out dust and dirt from incoming air, warms up the cold outside air, and moistens dry air before it ever reaches your lungs. The trachea, an open highway. Next, air enters the trachea, commonly known as the windpipe, which features your voice box or larynx right on top. The trachea is a strong tube carrying air down into the chest. It is reinforced with C-shaped cartilage rings that maintain its open structure, serving as a safe highway to the lungs that never closes. The lungs and bronchi. At its base, the trachea splits into twin branches called the bronchi, which look just like upside-down trees inside you. These branches split into smaller bronchial tubes inside the lungs, which are your main inflatable chambers for breathing. To accommodate your heart, the left lung is slightly smaller. The alveoli, gas trading post. At the end of these tubes sit millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. This is the ultimate microscopic trading post. Here, life-sustaining oxygen enters your blood, while carbon dioxide safely leaves your blood to be exhaled. The diaphragm, the driving pump. What powers this movement? Meet the diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle located right under the lungs. It is the primary muscle driving the breathing pump. It flattens out to pull air into the body and relaxes back up to push it out. The breathing machine. Together, these organs form nature's perfect dual ventilation system. During inhalation, internal bellows expand to pull air in as the diaphragm flattens and chest volume grows. During exhalation, the diaphragm rises back up, pushing air out while a fan action clears waste away. Meet the respiratory roster. Let's look at your incredible breathing team at a glance. Nose, a biological filter that filters and warms air. Trachea, an air highway providing safe transit. Bronchi, twin branches that spread incoming air. Lungs, twin balloons acting as inflatable chambers. Alveoli, a trading post specialized in gas exchange. Diaphragm, a driving pump that pulls air into the lungs. Avoiding the exam trap. When learning about the body, don't fall for this trick. A common trap is believing we breathe pure oxygen. The reality is we breathe regular air, which is actually mostly nitrogen. The fact is, our body simply absorbs the oxygen it needs from the air mixture. Shimmering path of an oxygen molecule. If you follow the shimmering blue path of a single oxygen molecule, its route goes through 4 stages. 1. Nose, where the air is filtered and warmed. 2. Trachea, the open, safe highway. 3. Bronchi, the twin branches leading into the lungs. 4. Alveoli, the final trading post where exchange occurs. Breathing in action. This machine responds dynamically to your physical actions because more action means more oxygen. When resting, you maintain a slow, steady breathing rate. When walking, your rate increases to provide extra energy. When sprinting, fast and deep breathing is required because more energy strictly requires more oxygen. Quick knowledge check. Let's see what you remember from our exploration. What warms incoming air? The nose. What is the scientific name for the windpipe? The trachea. Where does gas exchange happen? In the alveoli. And what muscle drives the pump? The diaphragm. Conclusion: the engine of life. Ultimately, the respiratory system acts as the true engine of life. Oxygen fuels your entire body, and every single cell relies heavily on breathing. Your lungs never stop working, ensuring carbon dioxide safely leaves your system. Every breath connects us to the outside world, driving our bodies forward.